What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, iTuts, and today I have another tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an intro 100% for free as a beginner on YouTube. And the website that we're going to be using is called Panzoid. It's a really simple and free website, and we're just going to check it out right now. So yeah, this is it right here, panzoid.com, and you're available to search through multiple free templates and just browse through like tons of them. People upload templates for free, and they just allow people to choose whatever one they want, basically. And it's a really simple process. It's not too complex. That's why a lot of beginners use this. All you got to do really is just change the name on here and maybe the colors. You have to do like no video tracking, no special effects, no nothing. It's just literally you editing the text and maybe the colors. So I'm gonna go look for one real quick, and actually I liked the one that I saw earlier. Alright, we're just gonna use this one because I think it looks kind of cool. So when you find an intro that you want to use, all you do is click on it and it brings you to this page, and it says open in Clipmaker, and that's what you're gonna want to click. So you click that, and now basically it brings you to the editor for this this intro designer. So we're gonna check out the video that I just chose. Alright, that's kind of crazy, but yeah, if you like that, that's up to you. But we're gonna use that as our example today. So yeah, let's get started. All these little icons on the left side aren't too important. The only ones that you're gonna need to focus on, well, the only one you're gonna need to focus on is this one right here, objects. And basically, what you do is it's just giving you all the different options of the different objects that are within the intro, and you gotta search for the one that says name. There's usually a text group, so you just gotta kind of scroll down, and yeah, here it is. So once you find that, you click on it and you change the text to whatever you want it to be. So in this case, I'm just gonna change it to iTuts because that's the name of my channel. And once you put it in, you just kind of press enter, and then you gotta do it for all the different ones that are on here. So just keep doing it. So change the name to iTuts, and as you can see, the back white part just changed, so this is just going through the different layers. So one more time, iTuts. Now you can see the text right there, and one more time, iTuts. Bam, there you go. Extremely simple. Now let's say you wanted to change the color of the text. We'll change it to blue. Choose, bam, background is blue now. That doesn't look good, so we're going to change it back to white. That looks good. You can play around with this stuff, really. There's so many different like options on here, like these different shapes you can change too. So I'm thinking this rectangle part is right here. You can change it to like, let's choose yellow. Yeah, see, that doesn't look too good, but you can play around with it, figure it out yourself. And I'm just keeping it real simple for this video because this is for starters. I'm not trying to make this too complex for you guys. So yeah, that was really simple. That's literally all you have to do to make these intros. So if you want to touch it up more, you can, but in this case, I'm going to keep it like that, and we're just going to watch it one more time to see how it looks. Looks pretty good to me. So now that we're done with that, what you're going to want to do is go over to this download button over here. So the only two that you have to really focus on are the objects button and the download button. So once you click the download button, you're going to want to make sure your format is MKV and not WEBM, because I don't even know what that is, honestly. So MKV, and then you're going to want to put it to whatever quality you want. I'd recommend good quality, extreme quality. Extreme quality, as it says, kind of slower because it's rendering a lot. So I'm just going to leave it at good quality for the video's sake. And yeah, I'll meet you guys when this video is done rendering. Alright, the video just finished downloading or rendering. So now all you got to do is download the video. So you click download the video, and it brings you to this separate tab, and it should start downloading in the bottom left corner. So once that downloads, you can watch it over again, do whatever you want with it. But for some reason, when you put an MKV file into an editing software, it doesn't like render it through, and it says like it can't play the video. So when that happens, I say go to this website right here, Video Online Converter, and this is the URL if you want to copy that and see that. I'll put that in the description down below too if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, what you do basically is you take that video, drag it into the screen box right here, and you wait for it to upload. So while it's doing that, just kind of gotta wait for it, depending on how big the intro is. So this one was kind of large, but it wasn't too bad. So now that it's done uploading, what you do is you click this button right here, Start Conversion. Pretty simple. So then it brings you to this page, and you just kind of wait. And this converts it into an AVI file. Usually AVI files aren't too like touchy when it comes to editing software, so you should be fine. And if that's the case and it starts getting touchy, you might just want to find a new editing software, because usually AVI files aren't that touchy. So once you do that, click download. In this case, it already downloaded for me. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for making an intro on YouTube. So once again, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got something out of it, and hope this helps creating intros if you're just starting out on YouTube. Panzoid is a really simple website to use when making intros, so hopefully this video helps. So thank you once again, and always remember to leave a like and subscribe. If you guys have any video requests or any questions, just leave a comment down below. And yeah, that's all I've got for today. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.